Hi guys, in this video let me teach you how can you quickly download DaVinci Resolve on your PC for free without any issues. So without further ado, let's get right into it guys. So this is very easy. Go over to your browser, DaVinci Resolve download. Search for that, type in on the search bar. And over here you can quickly see DaVinci Resolve 18 here. And as you can see here, be sure to make sure to double check the website blackmagicdesign.com. So all you have to do is go over and hit on free download now. So you just have to go ahead and download the not the studio one, the standalone video editor. So go over and get on Windows here if you are on Windows, but if you are on other devices, just free to choose from them. So if you want to go over and download the studio, you can do so as well. But let's just download this one. And all you have to do is fill up here your names here and the details here that you want, and just click on register and download, and that will automatically download the installer for you, and just follow the instructions how you install it. But if you want older versions of DaVinci Resolve, go over to uptodown.com here, the third link here. As you can see, this is the quick installer for it. But if you want older versions, you just have to scroll for the older versions of this app right here. As you can see, just click on that and older versions, and there, as you can see, just have to go over and download it. Click on the green button here. You just have to start the download and follow the instructions on how you can install here on the installer. So okay guys, that is all for today. That is how you can quickly install and download DaVinci Resolve. Thank you for watching and goodbye.